Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can go into VIP through the lobby. So we're just going to climb on this tree and just climb and just jump and just walk until you've reached this point, and just stay there until the game has started. So I'm just gonna wait for 15 more seconds, so just be patient and just don't fall. You cannot use any VIP items though. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. It's just gonna bug to the roof and you're going to be able to jump into VIP through the lobby. As you can see, you're on here, so you're just gonna, I think this is where the VIP is. Jump. And as you can see, you're in VIP, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.